Tombili was a cat who lived in Istanbul, Turkey. Tombili would sit on the steps shown in the image above and look at passers-by, which gained considerable interest from people on the internet and quickly became an online sensation. Sadly, Tombili died in August 2016 due to a severe illness. After his death, a petition to honor his memory received 17,000 signatures, and Mayor agreed to officially commemorate his life. A local sculptor made a sculpture recreating the pose which had gained him fame. The statue was inaugurated on October 4th, World Animal Day. Hundreds of people came to pay their respects, leaving candles, cat food, and flowers. The event was covered by Turkish TV.